Frank, how you doing?
Marty?
See you again.
Hey, Marty. Sorry we're late.
Al, could you go downstairs and help out Jimmy and Raul with me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Appreciate it.
This is his. Hey, guys.
Hey. You don't trust me?
Well, I live in a crappy neighborhood. Get that funny money?
Right here.
Looks good. Looks real good. Oh, we're in business.
Excellent. There's just one problem, Frank.
Oh?
You know this guy, Al? He keeps asking me all these questions about my counterfeiter.
Really?
Yeah, he asks me too many questions. Now, my instinct usually tells me when there's something wrong. And there's something wrong here, so I had him followed. He's a fucking Secret Service agent, Frank. What do you think I ought to do here, Frank?
Make sure the body doesn't wash up on shore.
I want you to pop him for me, okay? See, I think maybe you're with him.
Look, you came to me, remember?
So pop him, show me I'm an asshole.
I'm just a businessman.
So pop him. And let's do some business. Yes, Frank. That's what I'm looking for. Come on, let's go get an omelet. You like omelets, Frank? Huh? I know a good place. We'll have chili and cheese. Come on.
Let me get my pistola here. My gun? You're under arrest. And you're under arrest too. Secret Service.
I mean, you knew the gun was empty, right? I mean, you knew from the weight of the gun that the chamber was empty. Am I right?
Well, there could have been one bullet.
Oh, my God.